Hey y'all, welcome. Let's see what the Most High was out on the table today. At first I felt annoyed, but it's more of a impatient feeling that I'm getting. Yeah, I saw this card while shuffling. Someone's gonna reach out to you and slowly and surely I'm getting more and more into you, so it could be if I'm leaning more towards somebody you haven't spoken to in a while. For instance, texting you, and the first time they do so, it might not be more than hey, I was thinking about you, just texting you to see how you're doing. Hope life is treating you well. I don't know, love, yada yada. And you responding and that being that. I don't know, a few days later, you're just out again. It takes a little bit longer and a bit more often. I'm getting slowly but surely steady. Somebody wants to grow something with you. Yeah. 4 of Wands coming out. Something stable, steady. Somebody wants it all. I'm getting with you. And they're going to tell you about it. I feel like this has been a long time coming. Definitely with the King of Pentacles, but like I've been saying, I'm getting sturdy, steady. That's the King of Pentacles, right? That's husband material. I feel like this person has been holding back, but once they open up, the words and feelings are gonna fly straight at you. Yeah. And clearing up anything that may be foggy or unclear. Yeah. Should make them happy. I feel like sometimes they wonder or doubt whether or not they make you feel the way you make them feel. Did I say that right? It felt weird when I said it. They wonder whether you feel the same way they feel about you. I say it like that. They're happy when they're around you, when they think about you. This person can sit somewhere alone, being to themselves, and just have the biggest grin on their face thinking about you. Yeah, 10 of Cups. I'm getting the grin is getting bigger and more often because they know what they want now. Specifically now. Going from the 9 to the 10, they know. Yeah. This person has been working hard, making sure they're good. Before they approach you. Because they can tell, they see you're fine. So they wanted to make sure they were in similar energy before approaching you. Yeah, as I said that, right? We got the 5 of Pentacles, the 3 of Swords, and the 10 of Wands. They had a lot to work through. Feeling left out in the cold, being heartbroken, feeling like the weight of the world was on their shoulders and having to do everything by themselves. That's done now. I feel like this person went from will go from very secretive and not getting any type of hide from them, right? To full on offering you everything you wanted and right, telling you exactly why. Here they come. Yeah. Yes. What I'm getting with the 7 of Cups and the Strength card is, as they were trying to figure out life, right? Tackling everything one by one. I feel like you stayed strong throughout this and almost keeping an eye out on them. Or keeping yourself tamed. I'm getting when this person was slightly out of line. As I split the deck, the Fool, acting like an idiot, right? Yeah. Yeah. The one thing that'll make them happy right now is to offer you this big ass coin. And again, at the bottom telling you exactly why. I feel like this person is very intentional in the things they do. And he wants to be very, very clear when they approach you with this. Yeah, because they know you don't play around. Yeah. And you will hold back without blinking. Okay? Queen of Swords. You have no problem cutting people out. Cutting them off. Blackbirds could be a thing. You see a lot of blackbirds. Could be a form of protection, because the way I was seeing these two cards like this, it was giving me also you energetically protecting this person and yourself from foolishness approaching this union. Just flip the deck. Wait, hold on. No. Yeah, this, they don't want to hold back anymore. They don't want to be in this player vibe energy anymore. They realized what it is that they want, right? And they want to offer you their love, this cup. To who? At the bottom, the Empress. It's you. This person is very clear on who, what, where, and when. Now you make this person very happy. Look at this. Offering major stability and starting off with little bits and pieces of their heart, their love, their warmth. They might tell you I'm not getting afraid of you, but again, your cutoff game is strong. And that could be a bit intimidating at times, or causes them to I'm looking for a specific word, but just minding their step. Mind your step. This could be somebody from the UK. Right. This person really had to figure out what it is they wanted in life. Now that they're sure that they want the home, the child, the dog. I'm not getting too much traditional, but I'm getting stability, sturdy, right? This is the person that I love. This is the person that I want to come home to. This is the person, I lay my head on at night. Yeah. And this person realized that in order to get what it is that they wanted, they had to retreat and work on things that I, for some reason, feel they really don't want you to know about. The moon here and the star, the Hermit, and the King of Swords. Yeah, they will tell you about this though, with this King of Swords landing on Eight of Wands. Yeah, this person is finally ready to speak. Yeah. They're terrified that because I feel like this took a while, right? And they worry like they're, how do I say this? Almost that it's inevitable for this person to be left waiting for someone that's long gone, and feeling like that would somehow be justified, when really they want to offer you any and everything. As I split the deck, you are awesome human being, badass being full of life. Yeah. They're worried you're out meeting people that you might want to collaborate with, work with, be with instead. They feel like this new spark you have might cloud your judgment as far as making a decision. As I split the deck, Queen of Wands, Queen of Cups. Oh, they might worry about you being out there in Queen of Wands energy. I mean, yes, you embody all the queens since you are the Empress, right? But they're worried that you might lean more towards going out and seeing what's out there. Anything to add to this? Right. they had to make sure you were as badass as you seem, right? Okay, you look bad as hell. In a good way, huh? Right? You may be fine as shit. You might be smart. You might have it all going on, but this person needed to be sure. I feel like life has taught them to be cautious and give it time, weigh out the possibilities and what's actually unfolding before you offer anybody anything, right? The decision has been made, though. As I split the deck, 2 of Wands. That's you. As this landed on the 3 of Wands, this person is ready to the decision has been made. You are their wish fulfillment. Wow. We got a 10 of Swords coming out, and the Everything is Fine card was at the bottom. I feel like this person has been how do I say this? Giving out their energy. You're dealing with somebody who's a very giving person and somebody who's known to be there for others. And it's like they had to take a step back and put an end to that because it was not only holding them back but changing them in a way where that would be snappy and agitated, right? I feel like this person or you could be somebody who's easily anxious, right? Anxiousness is just part of your daily life. And there has been focused effort in changing that, dealing with that. Do you have any closing cards? Yeah. Getting rid of that energy with the 5 of Pentacles. I feel like both of you are missing each other. Yeah, with the 3 of Swords. Yeah. They want to start over and show you how loving and supportive they can be, going from the 5 of Pentacles to the 6 of Pentacles. Both of you know you deserve to be loved, deserve all the energy you feel you need. And I'm feeling like the energy is finally right for this to come in. Almost there. Yeah. The High Priest is coming out. This is a confirmation reading. You know all this. And I feel like this person knows you know. Yeah, I also know the right time is now because both of you have been opening up slowly, little by little, a bit more since energy shifted. And it's time to let go and allow justice to come in. Again, because both of you deserve this. We're done holding back from the things we truly want and know we deserve. Especially when we now know that the timing is right. Things we want, with the Page of Wands landing on the Ten of Cups, the things we desire. Both of you know you want this now. Queen of Cups at the bottom. Yeah. After a lot of heartbreak on both sides, true love is finally here. The Queen of Cups coming out. She was at the bottom. Yeah. Two of Cups as I split the deck. Anything else? Maybe that's just it. Yeah, somebody is really in a sad energy. They miss you. They're watching you. They can't wait to hold you. You can't wait to be held or hold them. Anything else? Yeah, they're cutting a lot out of their life. This person they might feel like there's competition, other options involved. With the Four of Swords underneath that, they're worried about this. They worry about this. But yeah, underneath that, Two of Cups. When they do, and the Hangman underneath that, they snap out of it and realize, no, this is more than just a crush, really? LL Cool J? Hey, love. Right? Here they come. Yeah. You calm their minds. They feel at home when they're with you. I'm getting they already feel calm when they move towards you, knowing they'll be able to let their guard down and rest. And every time I see this card in this reading I'm getting, they will tell you that all of this, like, I feel like somebody is actually busting at the seams to tell you all of this. They have not said anything, and you will hear all of it at once, I feel. Anything else? Yeah, the holding back is over, right? Again, the timing is right. The timing is right. We're not holding back anymore. We're done doing that. You don't have to do all of this alone. You now know who you're dealing with. Both of you realize that whatever it is y'all went through, both of y'all are still here. And not going anywhere is what I'm getting. Make them feel free and young. Yeah. I'm also getting, how do I say this? They had to retreat, go in hermit mode to fix situations, past mistakes they put themselves in that were affecting their present. Yeah. They didn't like it though. Again, waiting for the right time to be able to offer you. They did not like being away from you. And knowing in the back of their mind that this is what they wanted. This is what they want and doing it for. I don't know how long this person has been away, but they did not like it. Here they come. Fast. Oh, that flew out, didn't it? Now he's at the bottom. We got the King of Wands and the Page of Cups. Yeah. This person is going to be passionate about making sure you understand they care and love you. Like by acts of service, protecting you and your heart. Yeah, this person is worried. That you have other suitors. It keeps coming up, right? But what if, and then they push it down like, no. This is special. This is one of a kind. There's no way. Yeah. They're just at the end of waiting for their crops to be fully grown. To come towards you. With this Two of Cups. They know this is true love, real love. There's no confusion about it anymore. Anything else? This person might feel that you look better and better each time they see you. There's something about the way you look. Yeah, with that, I saw the Hermit card and the Wheel of Fortune coming out. You're very unpredictable. They never know what to expect with you, when you'll reach out, what you'll say. Yeah. I feel like this person, it feels you remind them of somebody from their past, or that energy gives them the feeling of the way they were when they were young. Yeah. A part of them they felt they couldn't reach. anymore. I feel like you opened that part of them again. Yeah. When they gathered all of what it is they worked on while being away, they're coming in fast. This person is coming in fast. Grown as hell. Knowing exactly what they want and how to get it. Right, the question is, how will you react? What will you do? And this person is determined. Had an awakening or two themselves while being away, with the sun especially, as I split the deck. Yeah, they've had a few awakenings while being away. And they now know that you are it. Okay? Yeah. This energy, this old energy of one night stands and service level hookups is over. They're out of that. And here they come to tell you this. This person will tell you everything. I think this is it. Yeah. They're very nervous about you not being interested in this anymore because of the time it took. But from what I'm getting, this time apart, it's divinely orchestrated. Because this person wants to be with you as much as you want to be with them. If not more, is what I'm hearing. You should trust that. This person is coming in to work on this. Yeah. They're not playing. They're dedicated to this. Again, this is a special relationship. They know this, you know this. Relationship from a previous life. A lot of passion. And I'm getting that was the misleading part and made them feel like they needed to take a step back and watch what was actually going on and what was happening and what he was feeling or what she was feeling. Right? Like, is this passion or do I actually care about this person? Is there more going on here? Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Any messages for the collective? It's time to hit the reset button. Clear out the old so that room is available for the new to enter. Trust that better things are coming fast. Prepare to move to the next phase of your life. This is your rebirth. Welcome this beautiful brand new energy. You've got this. Well, if this is not a sum up from the reading, then I don't know what is. This has been your reading, y'all, with the Mystic Kaleidoscope Tarot. Like and subscribe. And until the next one, bye.